I'm KOCO 5 meteorologist Michael Armstrong with your updated First Alert video forecast. We could still see a few storms overnight tonight, but tomorrow looks quiet. We'll start off with temperatures in the upper 60s in the morning and end up with highs up around 90. So another warm day, even a hot day, some of you might call it, here starting out for our work week on Monday. Now going into the statewide view, you notice temperatures here. Yeah, the hottest air here across central and southwestern Oklahoma. Northern and northeastern parts of the state not quite as hot, with temperatures more into the mid 80s. Some of that will be due to cloud cover from some of the rain. And here's a look at predictor. So here's 10 o'clock Sunday. Yes, a few thunderstorms during the evening hours, but by Monday morning, notice the activity slides into southeastern Oklahoma and most of the rest of the state dry until we move into late Monday. So going into 9 p.m. thunderstorms develop across western Oklahoma. These will likely quickly intensify, some supercells possible, producing severe weather overnight. There's 11 p.m. thunderstorms making progress in towards central Oklahoma. There's 1 a.m. some very intense storms here across northwestern Oklahoma and north central parts of the state, making their way down toward OKC potentially as well, even going in toward 3 a.m. Notice still a lot of thunderstorm activity going into Tuesday morning, and then eventually Tuesday afternoon we'll see more storms develop, especially across southeastern Oklahoma. So here's the timeline: Monday night into early Tuesday, 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. in the blue shaded area here across western Oklahoma, 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. here across central sections, and then 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. further to the east. So yes, it is going to be one of those nights, a very stormy night with that potential for severe weather. So the severe weather risk is up to a level 2 out of 5 after 8 p.m. tomorrow night. That will include a tornado risk here across central and northern and northwestern Oklahoma. It's a level 2 out of 5. And then it does come with a hail and wind risk also. The wind risk, 60 to 70 mile per hour winds, central, western, and northern Oklahoma. And yes, there's the hail risk as well, up to ping pong ball size hail. Not out of the question, 1 or 2 storms could produce golf ball size hail. Then as we go into Tuesday, the risk shifts to the south and east, but still a level 1 out of 5 for parts of central and southern Oklahoma as well. We'll be monitoring these storms very closely. Be sure to check in with meteorologist Jonathan Conder tomorrow morning for the latest on your forecast.